Hey, what's going on everyone? Kurt here with Eat Sleep Drive. And do you guys remember this old girl? Yes, I still have my 100 Series Land Cruiser, and now that I've sold my Porsche GT4, this is my only vehicle, and I'm kind of getting like rejuvenated and getting excited about getting back to using it and modifying it. I mean, I've been using it on a kind of a daily basis, but I haven't gone on any trips lately, which should change soon. But I really have been wanting to do something about this horrific grill for a long time. I don't know if you guys will see this, and I'll bring you guys closer in. But the chrome plating on this plastic grill is like peeling away. It's been doing this since I purchased the vehicle, and it's always kind of driven me nuts. I've thought about, trying to strip it off, but that kind of seems like a big pain. Maybe painting over it, but then it would still have this like weird texture behind it. So I finally decided to pull the trigger and buy a new grill. Now I could have just, bought a factory grill, but I don't particularly like the design on the 06 and 07s. I like the rest of the car. It has like the LED taillights, but the design of the grill is not my favorite. So I went on Alibaba, actually. I was looking around on eBay and couldn't really find anything, but Alibaba, I don't know, maybe because like people in the Middle East have a lot of Land Cruisers and there's more parts out there. I don't really know, but I found this grill, and it's kind of departure style wise, but I also kind of like it. It's different. I definitely wanted something blacked out. I think it'll match with these wheels a little bit more. I have these black wheels, and I may do some more other black accents on the car, but it was different and I figured I'd give it a shot, and I'll put a link in the description below. And I was really just curious, like, is this gonna work or not? Because I have no idea if this is gonna fit. So you guys are gonna find out today. Should be a relatively easy job if it fits. And if it doesn't, well, this is gonna be the shortest video ever. Are the hood struts going to still work? Yes. And I'll bring you guys in to show you what we're gonna have to remove to get this front grille off. At first glance, this looks super easy, so hopefully I'm not over or under thinking this, but there's a Phillips here, and a Phillips here, which I'm going to remove, and then these down here look just like tabs I could probably just pull up on, and this will come out, but we'll find out after we remove these 3 Phillips. Now that we have these 3 fasteners removed, let's come in here and look at down here. I'm not sure how these clips work. I'm just gonna kind of try and maybe pull up lightly. Let's try pushing this. Oh, there we go. So if you just push that little tab, it comes out. Let's do the same on this side. Comes right out. And now we should just be able to lift this grill out. Awesome. That was way easier than expected. I'm looking at these 2 grills now, holding them up against each other, and they do look pretty similar, so hopefully this is going to work out. Now what you're seeing me do here is remove the emblem from the stock grill. From the factory, it's on there with sticky tape, and you've seen me use this stuff before, these sort of interior trim removal pieces. They're super helpful. Definitely, I'll put a link in the below if you need them. And then after that, putting on the double-sided sticky tape is what is needed to be done in order to affix this to the new grill. That being said, it's not an ideal fit with this grill because the emblem is not exact. I think it's from like a different generation, but it is good enough with a bunch of double-sided sticky tape on there. I'm gonna place this grill on here, and these bottom ones snaps right in. And now we just have to screw in these Phillips fasteners. Now straight away, the fitment is not amazing here. I don't know if you guys can see this. It is about a 1/4 inch off, but I'm gonna bend this and hopefully it doesn't break, and hopefully I can still attach this grill. I just bent this in a little bit, like flexed it in, and was able to get this fastener in there. Whether or not it will hold or it will break eventually, that has yet to be seen. And you can see on this side, we're dealing with kind of the same issue. And I don't know if we're gonna break this. And now for the cherry on top, the emblem goes on. Well, there you go. We got that badge off. Little bit of double-sided tape, and I think it looks pretty good. You know, the fact that this is all like brand new shiny black, I feel like maybe looks a little bit out of place because everything else is like not rough, but this car's been well used. So I think as this kind of like wears in and scratches a little bit, it'll probably fit the car a little bit more. But I tried to move the camera over so you could see more of the side of the vehicle with the black wheels and the black grille. I think it works pretty good. And you know what? For this like chance Alibaba grill, I think it worked out okay. I think it was about 160 bucks or something shipped, and it came pretty quick, so I really can't complain too much. It looks way better than the ugly chrome grill I had on here. Now, one thing to note is that these cars from 98 to 2007, when the 100 series was made in the US, they had different grills. There was like 3 different grills. So I was worried about some fitment issues because of that, but this one fits. So make sure if you are doing this, make sure you're buying the right grill for the right year that you have. That's just a little tidbit. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like I said, I think I like it. I'm a little bit on the fence, but we'll see. I'll give it time and see if it grows on me. But yeah, definitely leave a comment below, and Eat Sleep Drive TV on Instagram. While you're at it, hit the subscribe and bell button. It doesn't cost you a single thing other than it's just going to, YouTube will recommend more videos that you like now, including mine. So would appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next version of Eat Sleep Drive. We will take this thing for a bit of a road trip.